All elements have an associated level when they are placed in a project. If you are working in a plan view, the associated level is established from that view. For example, you want to add some walls and have them start from the foundation level, so you open this view by double-clicking it in the project browser. To begin placing walls, you select the Wall tool. Once the tool is selected, you can use the Type Selector at the top of the Properties palette to specify the type of wall you want to place. In this example, an exterior wall. The height of the wall is specified on the options bar. If a level datum already defined in the project is selected, then the top of the wall will be constrained to that level. Here, the lower parapet is selected for the top constraint of the wall. The height of the wall can also be set to unconnected, in which case you can enter an explicit value for the wall height. The wall location line is also set on the options bar. This setting establishes where the wall will be positioned in relation to the click points as the wall is placed. The exterior finish face will be used for these walls. The chain option lets you draw connected walls with each mouse click beginning a new segment. The points 1 through 18 are clicked in order to place the walls. With the exterior walls placed, make modification to the walls at the corners of the building. Use a containing window to select the walls at the corners. Press Ctrl while selecting elements to add more objects to the selection set. On the Properties palette, change the top constraint of the selected walls to the upper parapet level. Select the walls at the front right of the building. This is where the entrance of the building will be. On the Properties palette, set the base offset to 4250, and then on the Type Selector, change the wall type to a wall type created for use at the entry area that does not have the block material on the lower section. To create interior walls, you open the Store floor plan view. Select the Wall tool again, and use the Type Selector to specify an interior wall type. The height is set to the lower parapet, and the location line of the wall set to be wall centerline. While placing interior walls, you might find it useful to change the chain setting depending on the condition where you are placing walls. To create an opening for the hallway, you use the Split tool and split the wall into two separate segments at the point where the opening is needed. Next, you use the Trim tool, selecting the portions of the walls which are to be kept, thus cleaning up the opening for the hallway.